Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for January the 23rd to the 25th, 2013. That's Wednesday through till Friday. Looking back on Tuesday, the highs and lows, the highs there mainly along coastal areas of England, Wales and Ireland, 4s and 5s really. The low temperatures, Andrewsfield standing alone at -10, the only one in minus double figures, and we may see more of that this week. Looking at the headline, the next 3 days, precipitation staying away for most until Friday when a new area of weather moves in. Very cold overnight temperatures in store for most of us, particularly in inland and rural areas. So looking at the current situation on the air pressure map, the low pressure is drifting away really, being replaced by a little bit of high pressure by January the 24th, which is Thursday, meaning a lot of cloud around, but a little bit warmer. So looking at Wednesday, sleet and snow around the eastern parts of England, and in the south, a new area of weather moving in, bringing snow to South Wales, sleet and rain for the south coast. In Scotland there, a lot of sunshine to be had, mostly sunny along the west coast. Temperatures in most areas of England and Scotland and Wales just above freezing, 0s and 1s, perhaps 3 degrees and 5 degrees in the southwest. Wednesday night we'll see most of the precipitation subside, just little light snow flurries, perhaps isolated for the northeast of England. Misty further south towards the Humber estuary, but clearer skies to the north of Scotland, to the outlying islands. But that means temperatures are really cold, -8 perhaps in the Scottish Islands, -6 in Cumbria, and -5s for parts of England. So looking at Thursday, rather mixed really, a lot of sunshine in many areas, particularly in the north and far west, but perhaps snowfall to be had in parts of eastern England, northeastern England as well. But mostly sunny skies for northern Scotland, a fine day there if a little, very cold, freezing or slightly above for most areas, but 6 in the southwest. Looking at Thursday night, an overcast affair for most of us, apart from the west, that's western Scotland where it may be drizzly, and into Northern Ireland where there might be a little bit of rain around, and along the western coast of the Republic of Ireland as well, drizzly, perhaps a bit more than that as well. But in England and Scotland, cold temperatures. These are lows in rural areas, -8 perhaps, or even colder than that. So on Friday, all the inclement weather moves over from Ireland and the Atlantic Ocean in general, bringing rain, sleet and snow to most areas, but for most of us it's a little bit milder, meaning that snow is less of a possibility. As you can see there, a lot of heavy rain in southern and western areas. In the northern regions of England and Scotland, staying cold, but as you can see, getting warmer in the far southwest. Friday night, that remains the same really, but most of the rain subsides, bringing drizzle to most areas, probably no snow around, and foggy in central and southern areas of England and Wales. Overcast elsewhere except for Scotland, bringing low temperatures, above freezing almost for everyone really, and in the western areas, the far western areas, Wales and southwest England, 4 to 8 degrees, which is really good really for a night temperature. Submit your photos and videos to the Force 13 website, force13.com, where you can also see an in-depth forecast of the next 3 days. Just click the link in the description.